Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Nexus evidence storage for sales tax step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Nexus account. Navigate to the dashboard once you've logged in. Locate the Settings tab on the sidebar menu. Click on the Settings tab to access account options. Find the Authorization section within the Settings page. Select Authorize Evidence Storage from the options provided. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Next, click the Continue button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter specific information about your business. Fill in all required fields accurately, including your business name and tax ID. Once you've completed the information, review it for accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your authorization request. Upon submission, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Check your email for a confirmation from Nexus regarding your request. If approved, you will receive further instructions on follow the instructions provided in the email to complete the setup. After setup is complete, ensure that you can access your evidence storage. Review the authorized storage to ensure it meets your needs. Make a note of any additional steps or settings you may need to configure. You're now ready to use Nexus for your evidence storage needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.